Hello. Today I'll be analyzing article Integrating and Enhancing the Quality of Services in Cloud Computing with Software Testing. This article has been presented at the International Conference in Wireless Communications, Signal Processing, and Networking 2016. The authors of this article are Chanzu PMSS and Divyashi Kata. The focus of this article is cloud computing and how quality of services provided by cloud computing companies are not being provided in the most effective manner. The authors have proposed an optimal virtual machine placement, which is abbreviated as OVMP algorithm, to minimize the cost under future demand and price uncertainty. The current cloud computing systems use a pricing strategy based on usage and double quality guaranteed resource renting scheme. This basically means that the services that are being provided aren't of good quality, and the services being provided use up a lot of resources as well. An example of how a lot of resources are being used is that a multi-server system is used for handling multiple requests and providing services. A multi-server system basically means multiple servers handling multiple requests to provide the services. Is very this is very costly model, and as said before, the quality of services provided by this isn't good either. The methodology the authors have used in this article is that they have analyzed various models, schemes, and tests used by cloud computing companies and discussed the benefits and drawbacks of each of them. They've also made comparisons between the proposed scheme and the existing schemes in cloud computing, and they've discussed why their proposed scheme is better. Moving on to the results, OVPM adjusts trade-off between on-demand and oversubscribed costs. The OVPM algorithm enhances software metrics, and this is used to estimate performance constraints and stuff. OVPM also allows minimization in execution time and cost reduction. The authors conclude in their article that along with the OVPM algorithm, dcloud testing and load prediction algorithms should also be used. dcloud is a cloud system which manages virtual machines with fault injection facility. Dcloud works like this: it sets up a test environment on the cloud resources using a configuration file, and there are several tests being automatically executed according to whatever the given scenario is. Load prediction algorithm is a algorithm which is used to reduce the load of services. Moving on to future works, there are many future works that could come off this article. The main one being that putting the OVPM algorithm and software testing model together into practice and experimenting with numbers instead of just discussing the different schemes and stuff like the authors have done in this article. Another future work could be comparing a company using the existing model and the proposed model and putting that into comparison and running that by the numbers and seeing which performs better. And I think it is important for any kind of software or computing company to provide the best quality of service, but also think about saving money while doing so. This article discusses a new model for cloud computing services that seems very promising.